Hello, preschoolers. Today we're going to read a book called It's Raining, It's Pouring. The words are by Ken Eagle, and the pictures are by Rob Gilbert. I'm very excited to read this book to you about rain. What's the weather like outside right now? Is it sunny or is it raining? In this book, what kind of weather do they have? Rain. Let's find out what happens. I love the pictures. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. Have you heard of this before? It's a song. Look, it's raining and pouring so much that they need to have all different containers collecting the rainwater, all different shapes and sizes. Oh my goodness. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. Say, wake up, old man. He's still sleeping. It's cloudy. It's breezy. The old man is sneezy. It blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course, that wasn't easy. Can you find the cow? What sound does a cow make? Moo. What weather is it now? Snowy. It's snowing. It's blowing. The old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. Looks like he had a yummy feast. I see pie and gingerbread man. Yummy. What kind of weather is it now? Sunny. Good job. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. I see honeybees. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. Say run, man, run. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. I found out his name. His name is Willie. Lots of rhyming. I love it. Uh-oh. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh. Did he look silly? I hope the cat rescues him. Oh, look. They're having a picnic. Just like your outdoor challenge. It's gusty. It's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. So now we know that this is Willie and that's Cindy. I like to learn what their names are. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin', if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. And then here is the song. It gives you the lyrics, the words, and the music notes. How cool is that? I never knew the whole song before. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.